Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Hypercharge Player Icon in Brawl Stars. First, ensure your game client is fully updated to access all the latest content. This exclusive icon signifies your mastery of Hypercharge abilities, offering a unique customization for your profile. We will explore 3 main avenues to help you successfully secure this highly coveted item for your personal collection, ensuring you stand out among your peers. One primary way to earn the Hypercharge icon is by participating in special in-game events. Keep an eye out for the Hypercharge Unleashed event, typically found on the main screen. You need to complete all 4 stages of this event, often involving specific brawler quests. Finishing all challenges grants you fantastic rewards, with the player icon frequently being the ultimate prize for your efforts. Another common method involves checking the in-game shop regularly, as the Hypercharge icon can appear in daily offers. It might be sold individually or as part of a larger Hypercharge-themed bundle. When available, expect a cost around 149 gems, a fair price for such an exclusive cosmetic. Remember, these shop offers are often time-limited, so act quickly when you spot it. To remove the clock, you will typically find an option to select none for the clock style, or a toggle switch to simply turn off the clock display. If a direct none option is unavailable, look for minimalist styles that effectively hide the time. Once you have made your choice, remember to tap Apply or Save to ensure the changes take effect. Your lock screen will instantly update to reflect your new preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.